Bubba's. Come on. Come on. No lot lizards. No lot lizards, please.
Damn it, boy.
Rolly. This truck is nice from inside, guys. It's all blue. We got watermelons up there. Show them what the switch. Got white as an option. Amber as an option. Same with this side. White, amber. Oh yeah. And then we got a blue watermelon down there. Excuse me, sir. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going?
I should take a picture with the orange.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Dang, man. And look at the back of this truck, guys. Got a double bunk. It's huge. Got a double bunk. It's a little messy. Don't mind the mess. Got a, not a fridge, but a microwave, a 32-inch TV, a table, 2 drawers, and then we've got a fridge right there that pulls out. And then you got a see-through window back there. I wish my W9 had that. That'd be so sick. But, oh well. So, we ended up getting a sandwich because we got a little hungry. So, we're gonna, I guess, chow down on these sandwiches. Because my boy says that these are good from here, from Quick Trip. Ain't that right, Rolly? Ain't that right, puppy? Oh, so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, yeah. You want some? You're so beautiful. You already had food, though. You already ate, bro. You already had your food. It's time for daddy to have his food. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I can't get off anywhere with this dog with like people coming up to me and like saying how cute he is and how beautiful his eyes look. All right, Rolly, you gotta come inside so I can close the door. Go inside. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Trucking is hard. We unloaded already, guys, this morning. Our hash browns. And now we are heading to pick up some ice cream. Take back to Minnesota. Passing through this little town here in Wisconsin. Beautiful spot. I love Wisconsin, man. Wisconsin's so beautiful. Especially these little towns. Well, we are loaded, guys, with a bunch of ice cream. Boom. Went to Walmart, guys. Got a few little things that I needed. And now we're headed out. People stare at me like if they've never seen a semi truck before. We are here in Sauk Center right now, Minnesota. Came to this truck stop right off of 94. Exit, let's see. I like this truck stop a lot. Exit, let's see. Where is it? Okay, exit 127 off of 94. And here, guys, this truck stop, they have everything. They got a chrome shop inside as well. So let's go check it out. Oh, this is the restaurant side. Here's the chrome shop, guys, right here. They've got headlights. Look at, they got the trucks. Got some that are heated. Some blacked out ones. All your stuff for buffing. Polishing, I should say. All your detail sprays from Renegade. Both chrome. Yeah, $53.99. Dang, they got everything here. Dude, they got a drop visor for the license plate. Oh no, they're probably like these, maybe. Oh, look it over. This one's for you. Oh dang! That is a idiot. Hey Edwin, they got blue steering wheels, man. Oh, look at, dang, the steering wheel that I have. Well, the same, I think it's the same brand. Yeah, it is. Or no, it's not. This is Steering Creations. Or maybe it is. It's kind of like this one. Oh, look at the old school ones, Edwin. Yeah, well, if you don't take care of it, yeah, they don't. Look at the one that you have is 209. Look at the Hero watermelons. You got brackets right here. More watermelons. And look at all these lights, dude. Look at all the truck's lights. Let's go over here. I almost forgot. You got your CB radios right here. You've got your headsets right here. Headsets, and then you've got your LED bulbs for the watermelons. Well, these are for the watermelons right here. All these. And then you've got your fuel tank covers. 300 a piece. billet. Alright guys, so we are going to get a wash, but we have to wait about an hour because there's a truck and trailer in there right now. They're getting a wash, truck and trailer, and they're getting a trailer washout. So I'm gonna have to pull out and park somewhere over there. Did a really good job here, actually. I missed being clean, man. Oh my. Look at that. Wow, they did a great job here, man. Hell yeah. Super, super good job. We got the back secured, guys. I ended up getting 6 of the 4-inch watermelon adapters. I'm gonna put watermelons on my sleeper. Currently I have just the old style what do you call it, 1157 like bulbs in there, but like it's like the old style lens on there, like the plastic lens. So I'm gonna take those out, and I got a really good deal on the watermelon brackets that go on there. $10.99 a piece, and usually everyone else that sells those are like $30 to $50 a piece for just one. These brackets, those chrome outer brackets is what I'm talking about, and I've got 6, so those are gonna get swapped out, and we're gonna put watermelons on there. And let me know, drop a comment down below, should we do amber with the LED bulb inside, or should we do red with the red bulb inside? And both, so if I do red or amber, I'm gonna do a clear lens. So let me know, guys, drop a comment down below, and let's see, how should we light that trailer up? Should we light it red, how we have it now, or should we do amber? Now we're gonna go to Walmart and get some tire shine to butter up the tires. What's up, papas? How you doing, big boy? You're so cutie. Oh yeah, you're so cutie. You the guard dog? Oh yes. So guys, this is what we got right here. So they had a sticker of $11.99, but where they were displayed on, they were $10.99. So I got these for $10.99. They're in here, Grand General. And then I got for my brother these brackets. I got him 2 of these. He's gonna put 1 watermelon on each side of his frame. I got him a watermelon. I got him 2 watermelons as well. So yeah, guys, time to light up these trucks a little bit more, guys, little by little, and we'll get to be able to see our trucks from outer space. Nah, just kidding. So let's go over to Walmart right now.
In 1,000 feet, turn right at Ash Street South.
Alright, so we need this waterless car wash from Chemical Guys. And I need some tire shine. Where's the tire shine? Don't tell me you guys don't have it. Tire shine. I don't have the one that I want. It's in a purple can with a little turtle. I know they don't have it. Oh my. Nope. Not even up top either. Oh, man. Well guys, unfortunately no tire shine, just the detail spray, and I also got a hammer because I don't have a hammer in the truck. I don't know what happened to mine, so I ended up getting a hammer, something cheap. So now I'm going to be heading over to where I'm supposed to load, because our other guy is over there right now. I'm gonna go meet up with him and hang out for a bit. So yeah, let's go, guys. Look at that. I'm being so violent. He's so violent at driving. Dang.
Show to the people, man, how we doing, man?
Dang. Okay, Transformer, huh?
Yeah. Feel me?
Dang.
Show what's up, man?
Dang, man. Transformer.
Yeah. Show
Oh,
what's up, bro?
fucking badass.
Show the people over here, nigga.
Dang. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Got our burritos warmed up.
We got everything on it.
Trucking life, guys. Warming up them burritos. This boy decided to put on soccer. He's watching, what is it, the cup?
Real Madrid.
What is it?
Real Madrid.
Oh, Real Madrid. Yes. Look at, we got a Transformer seat. We got really clean floors. Look at that. Now that's a real driver right there. That's a real driver, right? Uh-huh. Nice and clean. Hell yeah. I'm gonna watch some Gabe Farrell Customs
You weren't made for
On the
moderate
32-inch
to severe
TV.
Crohn's disease or ulcerative
Ooh.
There's the real driver over there.
Oh. Yeah, he's working. We're not.
We're learning right now. We're in class.
We're in class, guys. You hear that? We're learning. Started all over, right? Si era esta, huh?
Yes, sir.
We need to go there, niño. To frickin' what's it called? SEMA.
Upgrade your car with the
Fucking ads, man.
with sensational scents that will blow your mind. Plus, it stays fresh for over a month.
¿Qué es eso? Oh, the chopsticks?
Sí. Por allá garbage, man. Yes.
Oh my goodness. Now, guys, the burritos that my mom made us. Ground beef with jalapeno, tomato, onion, beans, and cheese. Delicious, man. Cheers. That bitch is bad. Man, I want to go to SEMA so bad. Well, guys, we made it to the Americold. Let's go check in. I think it's over here. Man, guys, this truck right here is one of those ones where you get off your truck and you got to look back at it, man. This thing is fucking nice. They did such a good job at that truck wash, man. I don't know what they put on their soap or what kind of soap they use, but the paint and the chrome just shines like crazy, man. They killed it with this. Hey, bubbles. So, bad news again. So, I originally was at this other shipper up by St. Cloud. I was there since last night. I was supposed to pick up since last night. I checked in last night, and this morning they ended up not getting me loaded, and they ended up telling me that I needed to come to the cities down here in Lakeville to this Americold to pick up, because over there, one, it was super packed, and I guess yesterday they had scheduled like 60 trucks to load out, and they only loaded out 20, and the rest, which was like 30 to 40 trucks, were getting loaded today. So yesterday's schedule interfered with today's schedule, and today's schedule had another like 40 trucks. So not everyone got loaded today, and for some reason I didn't have my product, or they didn't have the product there. I don't know. So they sent me here. I went to go check in, and they didn't find any load of mine. So now I'm just waiting for a callback to see what is it that I'm gonna do. So now we wait and see what happens or what we do.